Good morning, students. These are your current affairs for CT3. Okay, means the CT1, CT2 and term 1 current affairs now you will not revise. Okay, you will revise for CT3, you will revise and you will learn only these current affairs. Okay, so as before starting the current affairs, what you supposed to do? The date is written here and today is 31st October. Okay, so you need to mention the date. Okay, 31st October 2020. Now the first question: who received the 55th Jnanpith Award? Means किसे Jnanpith Award मिला है, that is of 55th. So the name of the person is Akitham. Akitham is a name of the person who received Jnanpith Award. Okay. Now question number 2. Which state is set to host the 51st International Film Festival of India? यानी कौन से स्टेट में 51st इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है? कौन सी स्टेट उसे होस्ट कर रही है? सो आंसर इज गोवा. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which team won the first match of the 13th edition of IPL? IPL का जो 13th edition चल रहा है उसका फर्स्ट मैच कौन सी टीम ने जीता है? ओके, एंड सो आंसर इज चेन्नई सुपर किंग. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which state has started the U-Rise? It is U-Rise. Okay, U-Rise, that is a portal. ठीक है, portal that is only for students. So which state has started this portal of U-Rise? That is Uttar Pradesh, means UP. Okay, in UP only that U-Rise portal has been started for students. Now question number 5. A Promised Land. This is the name of a book. Okay, A Promised Land is a book by which famous person? Is a book written by which famous person? The word here, it should be written. The word I forgot to write, so I am writing it here. It should be the famous book. A Promised Land is a book written by which famous person? And answer is Barack Obama. That you know, he was the president of America. Okay, before Trump he was the president. So that Promised Land book was written by Barack Obama. Okay, now question number 6. What is the name of the first CRISPR COVID-19 test? CRISPR COVID-19 test in India. So what name has been given to it? So the name is Feluda. Feluda is the name that is given for COVID-19 test. The first one. Okay. Now move to the 7th question. The 7th question. The assembly elections in which state will be held in 3 phases? The assembly election in which state will be held in 3 phases starting from October 28. As you all know, it already has been started. The one session is complete, one phase has been complete, so that these elections is going to conduct in Bihar in 3 phases, not all together, एक साथ नहीं हो रहे, because you know, because of this pandemic time. Okay, so it will be held in 3 phases. So first phase is over. Okay, because it started from 28 October. Now question number 8. On 30th September 2020, India successfully tested the extended range version of which missile? On 30th September 2020, India successfully tested the extended range version of which missile? यानी 30th सितंबर 2020 को कौन सी मिसाइल का सक्सेसफुली हमने टेस्ट किया है? सो द आंसर इज ब्रह्मोस. BrahMos is the name of the missile that has been tested. Now question number 9. Who won the men's single title at the 2020 French Open? Men's single title, that is in French Open. So who won this title? That is Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal has won the men's single title in 2020 French Open. Okay. Question number 10. Ram Vilas Paswan, who passed away recently, was a famous dash. Ram Vilas Paswan, जिनकी अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले डेथ हुई है. So who was he? He was a famous politician. He was a famous politician. Okay. Now question number 11. Which state has started the जगन्ना विद्या कनुका स्कीम फॉर स्टूडेंट्स? कौन सी स्टेट ने ये स्कीम निकाली है बच्चों के लिए? जगन्न विद्या कनुका स्कीम. दैट इज आंध्र प्रदेश. आंध्र प्रदेश में ये स्कीम शुरू की गई है ओनली फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Name the world's longest highway tunnel. Longest highway tunnel inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Himachal Pradesh. तो वर्ल्ड का it's been a great success for our country. That is world's longest highway tunnel that has been built in our country. That has just Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated that tunnel. So the name of the tunnel is Atal Tunnel. If you remember, there was a politician. He was the Prime Minister also, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So on his name, just to honor him, we kept the name of that highway, that longest highway tunnel, as Atal Tunnel. Okay. So these are total 12 current affairs that you supposed to write in your fair GK notebook in good handwriting and without any spelling mistake. Okay students, I hope you have understood everything. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.